Hey, Doug community. November 13 is near, and we at Doug want to make sure you're nice and settled in our event platform, Brella, so your DynamicsCon virtual experience goes smoothly and you know what to expect. Let's run through a quick overview of the Brella platform so you know where to find all the important resources you need for the conference. Let's start at our main dashboard view. This is the hub from which you can access all conference resources. First things first, make sure your Brella notifications are turned on so you never miss an update or announcement from Doug. We'll be sharing important information throughout the week of the conference, and you'll want to stay in the loop. In your main dashboard view, you'll see a quick overview of upcoming sessions, your top networking matches through Brella's matchmaking algorithm, and an overview of our sponsors. Through the left navigation menu, you can view and connect with other attendees, view the full agenda, filter through and bookmark sessions, access the stream channel where the sessions will take place, join roundtable discussions and secondary breakout rooms, spaces where you can take group discussions to a next level. You can view all event speakers and sponsors, and explore different chat walls dedicated to special areas of interest like professional development, other community events, and more in the Spaces tab. You can also quickly access Doug's website, as well as the site to our upcoming in-person conference in Chicago. To explore each of these resources more in depth, check out our additional tutorials where we dive deeper into these sections. Back from your main dashboard, you can also quickly access your event profile and your messages in the top right corner. And in the bottom right, you'll find additional event info and Doug resources. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope this was helpful and you're nice and comfy with the layout of the Brella platform. Until next time, Doug community.